that I'm not the active president anymore, and that General Suharto has taken over power. That's not true. I'm still in full power. What I gave to General Suharto the 11th of March, 11th this month, that was just an order to look after the security in Indonesia, that nothing happened which can disturb peace and quiet, which can disturb the security of the revolution, which can disturb the smoothness of government, which can endanger my physical and Wibawa, what is the...
Mental?
No, Wibawa is the authority of the president.
Then...
yesterday, Suharto himself made this statement. Where is the English?
The English?
Yes, I will do it.
Here. It's authority. Is that it?
Here it is. Even Armed Forces Daily Mail yesterday. General Suharto, no coup d'etat. Lieutenant General Suharto to reports about what is this word?
That's interposed. Today strongly denied reports about
Today strongly denied reports about a coup d'etat in Indonesia, as broadcast by Nicolim. President Sukarno is still in function as President Supreme Armed Forces Commander, great leader of the revolution, MPRS, Supreme Congress, mandatory, he said. I know, I said, abroad, not only rumors, but press comments and radio comments were talking about Sukarno ousted, Sukarno not anymore the real president of Indonesia, etc., etc., etc. That's complete lie. Even one of the press agencies said that Suharto has taken over power because, they say, because I am very sick, that I'm ailing. You see, Cindy, I am quite healthy.
Yes, I know you are, Mr. President.
Quite healthy, physically healthy and mentally healthy.
Well, then why did you give him this vested authority? Was it because of the recent demonstrations here?
Yeah, not only that, but in any country, you know, things can happen that might disturb peace and quiet, might disturb the authority of government, might disturb the security of the state, and in our Indonesian case, might disturb the Indonesian revolution. Demonstrations. In any country, we now observe and see demonstrations, like in your own country. I know in America, even yesterday and today, are taking place racial riots, demonstrations protesting against the Vietnam policy of the American government. In India now we have a local revolution and some part of India. Everywhere and anywhere demonstrations can take place. So I ordered Suharto to look after the peace and quiet and look after the security, not to, what is that? Not to
give over your power or surrender your power.
Not to give over my power to him, no.
Then in no case is this to be considered a military takeover or a junta?
In no case. And I read already even the own announcement of Suharto yesterday.
Mr. President, you had said before that these demonstrations were being supported by foreign aid and foreign forces. Have you had any proof of that?
Yes. Cindy, yes.
Would you care to tell us what foreign forces?
No.
Well, at least I asked. And how long will General Suharto's authority be given him?
As soon as peace and quiet have been secured again, then my order to General Suharto will end, will finish.
And his authority does not lead towards world opinions or towards world business. It's just to take care of the peace and security of the home front.
You know, the opinion among the Nicolim, I mean about us, is all wishful thinking. Wishful thinking. So anything, what happens here, they always abroad, they give wrong interpretations.
Well, it's still going on, even though you threw out the American correspondents. Do you think it helps your getting rid of them?
I know, for example, that one American correspondent abroad, not here because I have expelled them already from here. He said that I am ailing and that about 22 ministers have been arrested. True?
I have also heard that you were under house arrest and that you attempted to commit suicide as well.
Why should I commit suicide? I love life, you know.
I know.
I love life. Why should I commit suicide? Oh.
Will you be doing anything perhaps about the other student demand, about changing your cabinet?
Look here, in any country there are currents who are not satisfied or content with the ministers. You know, even in your country, not everybody is pro-Johnson. In the Philippines, not everybody is pro-Marcos or pro this minister or pro that minister. Japan, India, everywhere. So I'm not worrying about that.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
I'm not worrying.